Now the next question, that is question 137, it is related to heat conduction. Here you can see two rods A and B of different materials. As you can see in the diagram, this has been given to you. यहाँ पे आपको दो rods दिए गए हैं and here you can see T1 and T2 they have been mentioned. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जो heat flow की direction है वो इधर से इधर है. So you can see two rods are connected in parallel. Now उनकी conductivities अलग अलग दी गई है K1 and K2. As you can see thermal conductivities are K1 and K2. तो you are supposed to calculate the thermal conductivity of the composite rod. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि आपको इसकी equivalent conductivity निकालनी है. So here you can use the concept of thermal resistance. Thermal resistance as you know it is L by Ka. तो जैसे आप electricity में दो resistors को parallel में add करते हो, on the similar line यहाँ भी आप ये समझोगे कि जो resistances add होंगी 1 by R equivalent उसको हम इस तरीके से लिखेंगे. ये दोनों रॉड्स जो R1 R2 देख रहे हैं कि रेजिस्टेंस है, ये थर्मल रेजिस्टेंस है, इसको पैरेलल में कनेक्ट किया हमने तो ये उसकी इक्विवेलेंट इक्वेशन होगी. नाउ इफ रेजिस्टेंस इज L by Ka तो दिस इज Ka by L. हियर इंस्टेड ऑफ L दे हैव गिवन यू द डायमेंशन D. यू अंडरस्टैंड, डायमेंशन D दी गई है इसकी. सो हियर यू कैन से इट इज K इक्विवेलेंट A अपॉन डायमेंशन D, that is the length. और इसके बाद R1 here you try to understand इसकी area half है. So what will be the resistance? That will be A by 2. You can see A by 2 I am using, and D is same for both of them. K2 once again A by 2 and D. D is the length. So you can cancel out all A by D all around and K equivalent as you can see K1 plus K2 by 2. This will be the answer. तो हमारा इस क्वेश्चन के लिए करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा? This is K1 plus K2 by 2. So option 1 will be the correct answer to this question 137. Right? So now let us switch over to next question, that is question 138.